Top 8 affiliate marketing companies to make money online. So, coming in at number 8 would be iAffiliates. iAffiliate is an affiliate program that focuses on promoting online gaming and casino brands. Coming in at number 7 would be Rakuten Marketing. Rakuten is a global affiliate marketing company that provides opportunities for affiliates to promote products from a wide range of merchants. Coming in at number 6 would be Commission Junction. So, CJ is another international affiliate marketing network that offers opportunities for affiliates in the Philippines to promote various products and services. Coming in at number 5 would be ClickBank. ClickBank is a global affiliate marketing platform that allows affiliates to promote digital products and earn commissions. Coming in at number 4 would be Amazon Associates. Although not based in the Philippines, the Amazon Associates program is available internationally, including the Philippines. Affiliates can promote products from Amazon's global website and earn commissions. And coming in at number 3 would be the Zalora Partner Program. Zalora, an online fashion retailer, has a partner program that enables affiliates to promote fashion products and earn commission on sales. Number 2 would be Shopee Affiliate Program. So Shopee, another popular e-commerce platform in the Philippines, has an affiliate program that allows affiliates to earn commissions by promoting products from Shopee. The number 1 affiliate company to make money online would be Lazada Affiliate Program. So Lazada, one of the leading e-commerce platforms in the Philippines, offers also an affiliate program where affiliates can promote products from the Lazada website and earn commissions. So these are the top 8 affiliate companies where you can earn commissions by promoting other products from other merchants online. So, once again, if you found this vlog helpful, please subscribe. I am Engineer Morgan Sa, your coach ng Bayan.